Well, when Walt Timon and I were starting to operationalize these ideas to design questionnaire items, we found we had to make a choice. Were we talking about expectancy theory, or were we talking about reinforcement theory? And when that happened, I started to realize how influenced my own thinking had been by rational economic models like expectancy theory, which are prospectively rational. Right? Right now is a serious time. I make decisions about future rewards, but I never really get there. I'm always at the point of decision making and so on. If I do that well, supposedly I will get some rewards in the future, but that's really outside the model. It's all about wanting, choosing, uh, delayed gratification, and so on. And then I remembered that what had gotten me into this whole business to begin with was entirely different. It was the feeling that it had to do with the feeling realities of the moment, that I was drained, that I was not getting energy from the task that I was doing. It was a very non-rational kind of thing. And so I went with the feelings. And I found that the best sort of approach to making sense of them was to think in terms of reinforcement models. And what I came to understand is that the feeling of being energized or empowered um, is the kind of emotional reward that's connected with intrinsic motivation. That is, when you're energized, you have the sense that, wow, this is meaningful. Right? I'm doing what makes sense, right? And I'm doing it well, right? And it's working, right? We're moving forward, right? I can feel that's hypothetical as I say that now, my ears start to tingle, and my face is starting to flush. I'm energized. Um, so it's funny because in some ways they're ironic that the last place you'd look for some humanistic model of motivation you think would be, back to Skinner. Uh, but that seems to be how it works. We're not talking about rat pellets anymore. We're talking about the rewards that people give themselves, essentially, for doing an important task well.